my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my curly hair routine. So as some of you know, my natural hair is not straight, but I was born with very curly hair. Now, after years of abuse that I have put it through in Brazilian blowouts and straightening it literally every day, my hair has lost a lot of its curl, as you will see in clips later on. But I have discovered the curly girl hair method, and I incorporated a lot of those tips and tricks into my curly hair routine to help create this look. I've just been wanting to embrace my curls, have a better way to tame my natural hair without using so much heat and blow drying it and straightening it. I don't want to make this intro too long, but I just want to say something that obviously this tutorial might not work for everyone. Everyone has different hair types. I just want to show you guys how I achieve this look, and hopefully you find some tips that can help you achieve it as well. So without further ado, let's get this video started, and in the next clip you're going to see me fresh out of the shower, so hope you're ready for that. Alright, so we are out of the shower. Hair is nice and clean, shirt is nice and wet. Basically how I will wash my hair in the shower is when I get in, I will wet my hair and put conditioner throughout the ends of my hair before I wash it. Then I will shampoo it like regular. Every 2 weeks I will use purple shampoo to get all of like the brassiness out of my hair so it's not yellow. I leave that in my hair for a couple minutes while I wash my body and shave. After that I will wash it out and then put conditioner in my hair, let it sit for a couple minutes, and then rinse it out. I make sure not to completely rinse out the conditioner. I still want a little bit in my hair, especially on my ends. After that I get in the shower. I don't wrap it in a towel because that creates frizziness. You can use a t-shirt to get all of like the excess water out of your hair, and you just kind of wring out your hair. It's just like the different material. I don't really know the science behind it all, but it's a thing. It's a thing. Then I'll put some oil in my hair. This is the Moroccan oil. I put this all throughout the ends of my hair, and I'll put it through my sides right here just because I have a lot of breakage on my sides. Then I'm taking this leave-in treatment. I usually use the Enjoy leave-in treatment, but I ran out of that one, so I'm going to be using this one from Shea Moisture. It is just the 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in treatment. And again, I just put this on the ends of my hair. And the most important part of this is that I'm not going to be brushing my hair. Kind of weird, but if you have curly hair, you know you don't really brush your hair or else you're going to have a big frizz ball. There are pieces right here that look super tangly, so I just like run my fingers through it real quick, not getting the tangles out like completely, but just so I don't have any like really bad knots. I really try to make sure that my part is done and that right here is smooth, so that I really don't have to like straighten my roots when I go to style it. And now we air dry. This will usually take a long time. That is why I'm doing my hair on a day that I don't really have a lot going on. I'm just going to be editing. I'm going to do a face mask right now on days where I have stuff to do that like I need my hair done. I will usually do this like the night before or the evening before so it can start drying before I go to sleep. And then by the time I wake up, usually most of my hair is dry, and then I can do the rest of the steps. There is a hair on my face. So yeah, face mask is on, hair is drying. I'll check back in with you guys. It is 12:30 right now, 12:25. So we'll see what time I get back to you guys, and we'll see how much work I got done. All right guys, I am back. It is 5:05 right now. I'm still editing, but I decided to actually start getting ready. It's 5 o'clock and I'm getting ready for my day. I had it in a bun for a little bit. That's why these pieces are a little weird down here, but it's okay. We can work with her. Now it is time for the actual styling and curling of my hair. You guys might be wondering, what the heck can you do with this? It looks like a bird's nest, but actually this is very easy, so let's get started. This is my lovely curling wand. I don't know if you guys were expecting something super fancy, but this is literally like an $8 wand. My Nana got this at, I think, probably Didi's discount. It gets pretty hot, and that's pretty much what you're looking for. Basically, I will just start from the front of my hair. I will take this piece, I'll take the wand, and I will wrap it around and go backwards towards like the back of my head. Basically, I'm curling it kind of like away from my face, and I will hold it for 5 seconds. Look at that. $8, guys. And from there, I basically just take random pieces. Like, I'm not going in any particular order, and I'm doing it for like literally 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 4 seconds, 5 seconds. There you go. And then I just run my fingers through them. I'll take pieces underneath. Literally so random. I won't even take like the full piece. This just makes it very messy, which I like. I don't really like how this piece right here came out, so I'm gonna take a piece of it, do it over one more time, more like a loose curl. There you go. I will take my fingers and just go through it really quick. And guys, I never thought I had very tameable hair. I'll show you a picture of how I looked like when I was little. I had ringlets. Literally, it was the cutest hair ever. But as I got older, it just got really kinky, curly. I didn't know how to deal with it. And basically, I just started straightening it. I don't think a lot of people even knew that my hair wasn't naturally straight. It became routine for me and I liked the way I looked. And then I got all of these leave-in conditioners from BeautyCon. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to treat my hair because it is looking a little bit damaged. So literally right after BeautyCon, I did a leave-in treatment and I was like, you know, I'm just gonna leave my hair alone for a couple days and let it just have some time off. I looked online what I can freaking do with my hair and I found SANI'S video where she did the curly girl hair routine. And I was like, I'm gonna give it a try. Since I have been straightening my hair for so long, I did lose the curl so I didn't come out like how hers did, but it got rid of the frizz and made it way easier to style. And that's where I found this routine at. The back is kind of the hardest, but honestly, I just take a bunch of different pieces and then curl them, and then I will look at it in the mirror and pull pieces from there. The underneath and under here is still curly, which I am happy about because doing the back of my hair myself is a struggle. Every time that I have to try to blow dry it, I couldn't get it fully straight because my curls were so intense and it's really hard to get back there. But now it is very easy and I'm very thankful for that. I think the back looks good. See right here? All that is like regrowth and that is like my natural hair. Obviously, if my hair didn't have that curl in the back, I would just use the wand all over it and I would get these curls as well. But basically, that's it. Just randomly curling around my hair. Obviously, if I go in here, like there's some pieces that I didn't curl, but I just like it like that because it makes it a little bit more messy, gives it some character. Sometimes my roots do get a little curly if I don't like brush them down all the way, but then I would just take my straightener and then just go over a couple pieces right here on top. This is the straightener that I use. It is from Sutra. I will take my bangs that are looking so crazy right now and make them bang-like. And I really just like mess around with them since they are like really thin. I just kind of do whatever. And there we go. This is my curly hair routine, you guys. I was so surprised at how requested this video was, but here it is. This is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. I hope this was helpful in any way. If you guys do follow this routine, I want to see pictures of your curly hair and see how cute it looks. But yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below anything you would like. Also follow me on all my social medias. They'll be linked in the description down below as well as somewhere else on the screen. I'm gonna put some makeup on and film the intro to this video. So I'll see you guys in my next video or somewhere else on the internet. Bye!